Hey there, curious minds! Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the pages of history and embarking on a journey to uncover the secrets of a truly legendary creature, the Tasmanian Tiger, or as some folks like to call it, the thylacine. Grab your binoculars and join me on this expedition. Picture this. You are wandering through the rugged terrains of Tasmania, eyes peeled for a glimpse of a fascinating creature. Meet the Tasmanian Tiger, a true enigma of the animal kingdom. It's got the body of a slim canine with a kangaroo-style tail that is as stiff as a board. Imagine a head that's like the fusion of a wolf and a fox, topped with this sandy fur. And let's not forget its dark stripes. They're like nature's brushstrokes across its back and tail, earning it its cool nickname. The Tasmanian tiger was a wanderer, a true explorer of diverse habitats. From the lush grasslands to the heart of the forest and even the wetlands, this creature knew how to adapt and survive. It once roamed across Tasmania, mainland Australia, and even parts of New Guinea. The hunt for food. It was a carnivore with a carnivorous appetite. Think kangaroos, wallabies, and a whole bunch of small mammals. It was nature's very own stealthy hunter, creeping through the underbrush. A top-notch predator in its prime. Mysterious extinction. The Tasmanian tiger, once a master of its domain, met its tragic end. We can't pinpoint the exact reasons. It's like a puzzle with missing pieces. Humans played a role in its downfall, you see. Habitat loss thanks to our deforestation frenzy devastated the tiger's population. But that's not all. The thylacine was also hunted, not for trophies, mind you, but as a supposed threat to livestock. The blame game and competition. And speaking of threats, let's talk about the newcomers in town, the dingoes. These canine counterparts from the mainland brought their own set of challenges. Competition for food and territory heated up. The Tasmanian tiger found itself in the crosshairs of this survival showdown, and well, it did not bode well for them. Hope springs eternal. Conservation efforts. Despite being declared extinct, rumors and whispers of sightings still echo through the wilderness. brave souls have embarked on expeditions hoping to catch a glimpse, or even better, concrete proof of our long-lost friend. The hunt for the Tasmanian tiger's trace continues, reminding us that the wild can still hold its secrets. Closing thoughts. And there you have it, folks, the tale of the Tasmanian tiger, a creature that graced the land with its unique presence, leaving a mark on the canvas of history. While the Tasmanian tiger might have vanished from our sight, its spirit lives on in the heart of conservation efforts, inspiring us to cherish and protect the wonders of our natural world. So until next time, and remember, the wild still whispers its secrets to those who listen closely. Stay curious, stay wild, and I'll catch you on our next adventure.